Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Instantly AI. So in this video we will cover each and every information you should purchase any subscription on this platform or not, and what are the problems. So as you know very well, this platform is used for your business, and if you are running any kind of business or advertisement, or you want to get your more leads and all, then this is a very good platform. But when we make a research on this AI platform, we find some problems related to this website. So as you can see, there are lots of features they are providing, and like warm-up emails, email accounts. You can get unlimited email accounts and you can send unlimited emails every day, and you will get lots of leads by using this platform. Okay, so there is a very big concern, that is pricing. So as you can see over on your screen, the pricing of this platform is very high. The starting price is like approx $30, and when you are going to make a payment, it will goes up to like $45, including taxes and all. Okay, so this is a first plan, and in this plan there is one only problem, that is there is only 5,000 emails, there is a limitation, and there is only 1,000 uploaded contacts, there is also a limit, and there is only a chat support system available. Okay, so in the terms of hyper growth, you will see this option like the cost is little bit high, but if you are a business, if you are running a business, then maybe the cost is not just a matter for you. So you can see this plan is better, and this plan is good. But what are the main problem? The main problem of this platform, that is customer support. Okay, so when you are going to purchase any subscription, before making any kind of subscription on this platform, you need to be like contact with the customer support team. You need to ask some questions, how you can get your money back, and like how you can cancel your subscription if you are not satisfying, and you need to be ask each and every question related to your refund and return, because on Trustpilot some of the users are complaining about they are not happy with their service and all. So they want to get their money back, but they are not able to get your money back. So this is a very big concern about the money related. So the platform, overall the platform is good. Maybe some user requirement are something else, and maybe some user requirements are different. So it depend on your requirement. Maybe this platform is money making platform for you. Maybe someone is not getting good kind of leads and all. So it depend person to person, and it depend platform to platform. Which businesses are going to use this platform. Okay, so the first thing you need to keep in your mind, that is you need to contact with the customer support team. If you get good replies, if you are satisfying with the customer support team, then you can make any kind of subscription. So this is my review. If you are happy with this review, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.